My name is Yupeng. I'm a UX designer with a background in architecture. So today I will be sharing my work, job hunting experience and projects from my previous company. So hoping to provide some insights from those looking to transition into UX like I did. So my English is not thorough, so please bear with me. So next. So I started my journey in 2010 and studying architecture in China. So where I developed a solid foundation in design principle. So in 2015, I came to Japan to pursue a master's degree in architecture and working on a regional revision project in the northeast of Japan. So this experience not only expanded my expertise, but also gave me a deeper understanding of culture and contextual design. So in 2018, I began my career as an architecture designer. So working on projects such as commercial building, urban design, and CG visualization for global clients. I even became a first-class architect and served as an assistant project manager for a renowned company like Google, Adidas, and Philips, focused on office renovation. So, however, in 2022, I decided to transition into the IT industry as a UI designer, driven by my passion for creating user-centered digital experiences. So I completed the Google UX design certification and worked on app design for companies like Toyota, by Progi and Fujifilm. So I also contributed to developing design system for Fujifilm's X app platform. So currently, I worked at Omnicom Production, where I've been promoted to senior UI designer. So my role involved crafting engaging user experiences and leveraging my diverse background to bridge the gap between the physical and digital design. So here is some project I'm mainly involved with in Omnicom Group. So here is a Nissan VCAP 2.0. So this is a UX UI redesign project for Nissan configurator and estimation function. So I'm the lead design and be responsible for managing the designer, making presentation sheet and reporting to our client. Sorry. And for the Nissan RFP, I think is this one. So I played a key role as the main UX content designer and researcher. So I led a 3-person UX team, coordinating efforts between a US-based designer and a local designer to deliver the proposal. And also the Subaru pitch, I led the entire team and took responsibility for presenting our concepts and US strategy directly to the Subaru client. So in my current position, I working more on the UX strategy rather than the design job. I think 70% of my job is about the strategy and 30% of my job is about design. So I also like to share how I secured my first UX UI position and the lessons I learned along the way. So first, let me expand what I did to prepare. I started my journey with the Google UX certification program, which provided me with a solid foundation in user-centered design. So by the end of the program, I had developed 3 detailed case study, so which helped me understand the essential skill needed in the UX UI field. So next, I created a Notion portfolio where I showcased 2 of this case study. This became my starting point for applying to jobs. So creating my portfolio marked the beginning of the challenging journey to find my first UX position. So through this process, I identified 3 key takeaways. So the language skill. So working in Japan, I realized the language skill are crucial. So most UX UI position require at least N2 level proficiency in Japanese, while some global company don't require Japanese, but they offer demand extensive UX experience. I think most of them requires like 2 or 3 years experience. Also, which made Japanese company the more practical choice for me as a newcomer to the field. And the second one is personal character. Beyond technical skill, I learned the importance of personality and communication style. So understanding the Japanese culture and adapting to it is vital for building trust and collaboration with the team. Showing that you can work well with others is just as important as your design skill. And the third thing is luck and patience. So finding my first UI design position was not easy. I started my search at the beginning of 2022, I think, and only secured a role in the middle of the year. So there were moments of doubt, but just hanging on. It's important to remain patient and focused while improving your skill during the job hunting process. So here is how I get my current position. I focus on building a portfolio is very important. The website version of my portfolio significantly boosts my competitiveness. While working at a Japanese company, I updated my project on Notion and applied to several positions. Okay, let me show my Notion. Maybe you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Wait a minute. Here is something else. So here's my Notion. I think this one. Yeah, this is my portfolio for Notion. So in the first place, I only have this two of case study here. One is arcade game finder app, and another share house searching website. So it just yeah, give you guys a quick review on it. So the visual, the key visual, the persona, what's that? Our user journey, what's that? The journey map, and wireframe, blah, 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 and before after. Actually, when I finished the design, I just test on the user, and here's the before after. And here is my portfolio, or the website version. You see, I put a 3D character here, and to showcase. Okay, I can do the 3D job. Yeah, I'm working on the Figma. And here's my experience when I was an architect. Yep. So I'm back to my slide. This one. Good. Where I go? Yeah. So I updated my project on Notion and try to apply to several positions, but unfortunately I rarely passed the document screen stage. So after discussing my challenges with a UX designer friend, I decided to create a portfolio website to showcase my unique skill and stand out from others. So with this strategy, I incorporated the that 3D character design into my portfolio, which made a significant difference in demonstrating my creativity and expertise. So another crucial factor was self-improvement. While I gained a valuable experience in Japan, I realized that I want to return to a global company where I could fully utilize my potential particularly my language skill and explore more opportunity UX research. So from this journey, I've identified another three key points that were very important, I think. So first, you're gonna find out your unique skill is essential to identify and highlight the unique skill that set you apart. For me, the 3D modeling was one of my standout strengths. So combined with my language skill, this helped position me a competitive person in the job market. And the company research always be crucial. You need to understand not just their culture, but also their global presence and key projects. For example, my current company, Omnicom Production, operate in China, the US, and Japan. So with a strong focus on automotive project in Japan, so my tailored approach, leveraging my design portfolio and trilingual skill help me align with their needs and secure the position. And the last one is maximize your negotiation power. I learned the importance of the negotiation power effectively whenever possible. Securing multiple offers strengthens your leverage. Some recruiters may advise against discussing salary in front the companies, but for the international company, it's very important to leverage wisdom, to leverage your skill or strength wisdom. This approach can help you secure better compensation. So after all, one of the goal of the work is earn a living that reflect your worth, isn't it? So the last part is the case